Welcome to my home tour. This is the house from the outside. I didn't do a lot of lights. I just put some lights on the trees. Our trees are not real mature yet because they were just planted. Put a little lights around the garland and a couple bowls around the lights outside and a wreath on the door, and that's about it for the outside. Now, this is the entryway door, and I picked up this deer with the candle and the little decor in here. I got that from Hobby Lobby. This snow globe is 100 years old. The color of the water is not even clear anymore. I don't know where I got it. But my little Hobby Lobby decor got broken, probably from coming in, setting the keys there or something. And I've got my little sign, thankful, grateful, blessed, and a candle. And then this is the tree. I was looking for a tree that was narrow because the walkway where this tree is pretty narrow. I didn't want to take up a lot of room. My colors are rose gold this year. I was loving that color. I picked up these owls from Dollar General. The big poinsettias are from Hobby Lobby. Most of the decor is from Big Lots, Dollar General. I picked up these lanterns from Five Below and then filled them with bulbs from Target. But I didn't spend a lot of money on the decor. I was changing colors totally, so I had to get everything. I've never done this rose gold champagne type color before, so I had to pick up everything. But I was pleasantly surprised that Big Lots, Dollar General, Dollar Tree had everything that I was looking for. And then this is my table, again staying with my rose gold theme. I picked up those beautiful snowflake placemats from Big Lots. And then I've got the Christmas tree there also from Big Lots. And I've got some little flowers inside of my tray that I got from Dollar General. They're actually ornaments. I got the glasses there with the rose gold bottom on it from At Home, Dollar Tree plates. What else do we have here? That little candle in there is from the Dollar Tree. I thought that was a cute little touch. So not anything that was too expensive for any single piece, but I really love how it came together, and I really am loving this color. So this is just the view from the full kitchen again, and then up above my cabinet, stuck with that rose gold theme, I got the deer, a little buggy with some Christmas bulbs in there, and then on my counter, just something to add the color into the counter space. So just some bulbs in a glass vase. And here's my coffee bar. I've got this tree from the Dollar Tree, and all the decor, the bulbs, everything are from the Dollar Tree. I just thought that was too cute, and I was quite impressed by the quality of the tree. Then on my island, I got these candlesticks also from the Dollar Tree, and they were in the rose gold. Everything in that glass cylinder is from Target. Those beads are actually garland for around the tree, and I just dropped them down in there. Here's my candle holder, my marshmallow fireside from Bath and Body Works, which I absolutely love. And then here's my little tray that's got some little fairy lights on it just to add some little bling to it. And then for the TV, oh, the Grinch is on. For the TV, I just put the TV stand fireplace. I just put a piece of garland across the top, and it had lights on it, and I just stuck some rose gold little leaves or flowers or whatever just in there, just to kind of introduce the color into that space as well. Now this is the family room, and I have a small tree here, and I did the traditional colors here, the reds, the greens, the blues. I picked up those lighted gifts from Ross. This is actually my favorite tree. Even though I love my rose gold, I just thought this was really cute, and I got the little tree from Walmart. And just a little table here with just some knickknacks. That is really all that I did. And then I put on this table just a little simple decor. Now I am back at the coffee bar. And okay, there's a picture of the tree. Now I'm in my bedroom. And this is the very first time that I ever put a tree in my bedroom, and I really love this idea. I think I will be doing this from now on. I picked up this tree from Five Below, and all the decor on here, including the big bow on the top, are from Dollar Tree.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Joy to the world, let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, nature sing. And heaven and nature sing, nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior.